Dogecoin is up nearly 15% with only a few days away from the Doge Day and also the Bitcoin halving. Are we going to see Dogecoin hit $1? Welcome back to 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan. Today we're taking a look at Dogecoin, some updates, price analysis, and all of that. But before we start the video, I want to ask, if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below to reach your 2024 crypto goals. Let's jump right into it and take a look at what's going on with Dogecoin. So we can see, guys, Dogecoin number one in terms of meme coins with a $2.6 billion 24-hour volume and a $28 billion market cap. Right next to it is Shiba Inu, another fan favorite coin at $16 billion market cap. Almost double Shiba Inu Dogecoin is sitting at. And we can see, guys, in terms of Bitcoin happening, guys, literally 8 days away. And today, filming this video on April 10th, we're 10 days away from the Doge Day. So we have the halving coming up and Dogecoin Doge Day coming up as well. This is pretty solid. A great time to be in the cryptocurrency market. Now, we're taking a look at price action, guys. We're up 14% on the week, guys. We can see we are dipping earlier this week at 16.9 cent. And now we're sitting at the 20 cent mark, rallying this puppy back up to $1. Doge trading and ascending triangle pattern. 26 cent is the next target. Now this is a triangle pattern we're looking at, so it looks like we are headed towards the 26 cent mark, and then hopefully we'll pass that $1 mark as well. Again, Dogecoin has been covered all over the news, all over again. It's starting to get back in the mainstream media, which is great to see. In terms of technical analysis, guys, on the 1 day, we're seeing the summary saying to buy, oscillators are at sell, and moving averages are at a strong buy as well. That is for the day. In terms of the week, we're seeing pretty similar. Oscillators being a neutral, but moving averages at a strong buy, and some are giving us a buy, which is great to see. It's pumping. Technicals are supporting that we are going to start to see some breakout patterns, which is great to see as well. The overall community is bullish. We're all happy to be holding a bag of Dogecoin. All right, let's take a look at some of the news as well. So Dogecoin looking for a new 2024 peak. Dogecoin, the leading meme coin cryptocurrency, might be on track to reach new all-time highs, according to analysis platform Into the Block. The whimsical cryptocurrency, which is the most famous parody of Bitcoin, has surged more than 10% over the past month, outperforming some of the major altcoins. However, in order to move to new heights, the meme coin would first need to break above the 20 cent level, which it actually did today. According to the data provided by Into the Block, 3,200 addresses hold almost 4 billion Doge at the loss of current price. The leading meme currency is currently charging hands at 18 cents on major spot exchanges, according to data provided by CoinGecko Exchange. Even at current prices, 80% Dogecoin holders are making money, according to Into the Block. That's solid to see. Earlier today, Dogecoin managed to peak at 20 cents. However, the meme coin is currently pulled back to about 18 cents. We might actually see Dogecoin hit a new all-time high this bull run in 2024. I'm pretty bullish on Dogecoin, especially for all my people who got into Dogecoin super early. We're talking about the sub 7 cent, sub 9 cent mark. You're in for a solid bag. But talking about early, guys, let me show you part of this massive early. Another dog theme related token. We got the DogeVerse, the world's first chain traveling Doge. This pre-sale project has raised already $1.3 million, and it hasn't even launched yet. This project is growing like crazy. The internet's going wild for this one. This one's going to be epic. You're not going to want to miss out. Doge goes multi-chain. You could buy and claim DogeVerse on any of the following chains. That's ETH, BTC, Polygon, AVAX, Solana, which is coming soon, and Base, which is coming soon as well. The 6 most popular crypto exchanges, or 6 most popular chains that you can buy cryptos on. It's been featured on a ton of different articles and blogs. The multi-bridge utility, taking this coin to jump across all the different dimensions, just makes it super solid. Not only, guys, is this a solid project in terms of multi-chain, but they have a proper roadmap in place, guys, with 5 in-depth phases, a decent tokenomics all laid out in front of us, how to buy tab, frequently asked question, and also staking as well. So you can earn staking. We can see 10% of their allocation is towards staking as well. So not only are we going to get in super early at pre-sale prices, but we also have an opportunity to stake and earn more on our DogeVerse tokens. Remember, in the game of crypto, guys, it's always the person who comes early that wins the biggest bag, and we are super early for DogeVerse. I'm going to go ahead and link it down in the description below. Stay tuned for more DogeVerse updates and news as well. Now let's go back to Dogecoin. All right, and there's just one more article I want to show you guys before we wrap up the video. Is Dogecoin must break above this level to reach new all-time highs. So Doge must break above this resistance to reach new all-time heights. The primary asset has been performed relatively well this week. Scale, while most meme coins are in the red, Dog with Hat, Book of Meme are down 9% and 22% respectively. Meanwhile, Doge and Shiba Inu are up. Dogecoin is looking for a new high yield. It's currently up more than 10% in the last 30 days. To continue this trend and move to new heights, Dogecoin needs to solidly break the 20-cent level, where 32,000 addresses hold 3.78 billion Doge at a loss. So that means if we could break this level, guys, all these people that are holding Doge at a loss will now be in a profit. That might cause a little bit of selling, or it might cause people to hold even stronger. Again, we're seeing the patterns as well, guys. We are going to break past that 20-cent resistance mark as well with the triangle formation. So again, very bullish things ahead for Dogecoin. If you want to stay tuned to the latest and greatest crypto news, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below. Like always, guys, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. That pretty much wraps up the video. Until next time, it's your boy Umar. Peace.